Hello, I'm back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Rose. No, today I'm at Burlington. The music in the store today is loud. Let's see what we can do. They have new handbags in the store. I am looking at this bag by Tommy. This is well structured bag, and the price for this bag is $32. They have more bags behind and another structured bag. This one is, let's see, this one here is another bag. This is by DKNY for $59.99. I love the size, it's very big. This will be perfect for traveling. Interesting bag. And here we have something similar, but this one is black and white stripes on the middle. This is the same price. Up here we have this one by CK. This was $148. Today you get for $54.99. Okay, let me take you inside. Let's check out what they have here. This area seems quiet. Let's see. Here I'm looking at this very. This feels comfortable. It's good long sleeve top for $10.99 in size small. And this is another long sleeve top. I love the color. This one is store price is not on this one, but this was $44.99. Here we have another top, 2-in-1 top for $10.99. Look at this one with the flower on the. Look at this for $11.99. This is in small. Here is this black top. I'm loving this detail here, and this one is $10.99. Another one. This is cool for $10.99. Okay. Okay, look at this for $12.99. Yeah, this caught my attention. Let's see. I'm loving this print on these. Look, it's turtleneck see-through top. For $6.99. Here we have leopard print for $8.99. And another one, long sleeves. This is another one. I love these. It's feminine for $10.99. Both floral prints for $11.99. Yeah, I always say this, if you are looking for quality, affordable top, Burlington, they are slightly cheaper. Okay, look at this one. This denim jacket is nicely padded. This will cover you up during cold season. For winter, especially winter, this feels so heavy for $29.99 in size small. Yeah, this looks like medium. This is oversized, trust me. I can get away with this. It looks good. Colorful 2-in-1 top for $10.99. Okay, let's check out other sizes and see what they have. Here you will see more of size medium. Okay, let's see. I'm loving this crop top. It feels heavy and it's $14.99. This is another simple one for $12.99 in size medium. This is another one, good sweater. The quality is good for $19.99. This is new in the store. Okay, here we have black sweater by CK for $17.99 in size medium. And look at this. This is cool. Store price for this is $12.99. Okay, and the burgundy coffee sleeves top with these studs. Alright, this one is $12.99. Interesting leopard sweater, turtleneck sweater. I love these prints. I love this one. It's somehow unique. Yeah. Store price on this one is $14.99. Okay. Here we have black top with silver studs. Bus is not functional for $10.99 in size medium. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Alright, I am looking at something. This suede crop top, long sleeve suede crop top in size medium for $6.99. See what I'm talking about? Very affordable, and this is not bad. The color is good as well. Alright, let's check out. We'll check out size large. This is this in size medium for $10.99. Let's see what they have. Let's see. Behind we have this top, leopard print in size large. This was $38. Today you get for $10.99. Good. Here we go. I love for $10.99 in size large. This is another leopard print. Of course, we are doing leopard print this season for $8.99. Here we have, oh, I'm loving this color combo. Burgundy, white, that's cream color, brown, black. Good combo in size large for $12.99. Okay. Okay, this is by CK for $29.99. Yeah. Size large. I'm loving these sleeves. Yeah. Good sleeves. This is $16.99. The quality is really good. Not bad. Here we have this one in size light. Very simple and light for $10.99. Okay. These are light ones for $7.99. Can never go wrong with this one this season. Another leopard top, very light. It feels good for $11.99. Size large, size large. Okay, this top, I love the fabric is light, looks expensive for $16.99. Okay. Colorful crop top. You can tie it on the front with two deep front pockets, which are functional for $10.99. Okay, here we have this cropped turtle sweater by Guess in size large. This was $45. Today you get for $24.99. Pumpkin is around the corner. You will see lots of it. Okay, it's the season. And this one is $12.99. Here you go. Interesting see-through top, long sleeve top for $12.99. Okay, there we go by Gap for $13.99, size large. Okay, here you go, oversized sweater. And here we go. I'm loving this one for $16.99 in size large. Alright, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, if you like my type of video, please share. By sharing my video, you are letting YouTube know that you are enjoying my type of video. That's all you can do for me, actually. Thank you so much. And until next time, bye for now.